Hey family, hey friends, what's going on? Another day in paradise. I'm here to talk about this stock market. It's booming today. Uh, my portfolio is booming. I've been telling you guys ever since I got on this channel, what goes down will come back up. And that if you wanted to make some money, join the team. Hop on G Trades TV, hit like, hit subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you'll get these videos when they come out. And going forward, at the end of these videos, I'm going to have my play that I'm going to be looking into for the next day, so I can have something to help those who are new and something that's going to help those who already know how to get to this money. I'm a master fisherman. When it comes to fishing for these plays, I do my homework, I do my due diligence. I'm up at 4 in the morning, and if the situation calls for it, I'll stay here and watch the market all day. I don't have to be in the market, but I'm gonna watch the market. I'm gonna know how it moves. I'm gonna know the trend, whether it's trending up or whether it's trending down. I'm gonna have my plays. What I'm looking at, probably a good 3 or 4 plays is that I'm looking at pre-market. After that, I'm not looking at everything that on my watch list throughout the day trying to find a play to get into. I'm looking for plays that show strength, so when that play comes to me, I'm ready to hop in. So when the market is down, as I told you, that's when you should be ready to pounce on some of these plays that come down and are ready to rocket back up to the upside. With that being said, the thing that is important that I continue to stress is that you want to try to get out of debt. You want to try to get rid of those credit cards. Those credit cards are making somebody else rich. The bank gives you credit card to keep you poor so that you can be paying for what you're paying for, something that you've already bought, and then they're getting interest off of what you've already spent. And then it's just as whatever you bought is depreciating. So you're losing value, you're losing your money, and you're losing capital, and the bank is taking it and making money with it. So you don't want to give the bank your hard-earned money. You're working every day, and then you're buying stuff on credit that you can't afford, because if you afford it, you wouldn't have to buy it on credit. Rich people use credit to make money. Poor people use credit to spend money. And it really, to me, it was an easy thing to do, to get rid of credit and to rely on my own self as far as handling my own money, because putting money in the stock market means that money is making money for me. Putting money in the banks or whatever else, you're making money for the bank. If you got a savings account, you're gonna make percentages of a percent on your money. And if you put your money in just say you put it in a regular brokerage account paying 4.5% interest. If you got 100 in there, then at the end of the year or whatever your interest rate is, if it's annually, if you put $1,000 in there, then you got $1,040. If you put $1 million, you got $1,040,000. So what you do as far as putting your money in a high interest of a savings account, not a bank savings account, high interest brokerage account or high interest yield account, let your money make money for you instead of you making money, giving it to them, and then paying them more for the money that you worked hard for. So you want to try to get out of this debt cycle and try to change the way that you do things, the way that you spend, and then you can start saving money, investing money, and putting that money to work for you. Right now, as I'm talking to you, somewhere my money is making money for me. So I don't have to worry about, I'm not really worried about the groceries. I'm not really worried about price hikes and all that kind of stuff, because I'm in the game. I've figured out what makes people rich, what makes people wealthy, and what gives people the opportunities to leave a legacy. So check this out. I'm gonna put, I'm gonna just show you what a couple of my investment portfolios are doing. Not my trading portfolios, because not only I'm an investor first, and I trade just because it's for the leverage, for the action, for the fun of it, and it's challenging. And I don't trade just to gamble. I trade because I think that I can wait for the setups, read the charts, and pounce and make money. I can make $2,000 or $3,000 in a few minutes and be done for the day. I'm figuring out the times to trade. When's the best time to trade? You won't see a whole lot of information on my charts. You won't see my chart flooded with indicators and lines and all this stuff confuse me because I'm looking for price action. I'm a price action trader and I'm a long-term investor. So with that being said, in my next video, I'll try to give you some ways to get out. I can't get you out of debt, but I can help you knock some of that debt down if you take some of these ideas that I have to help you knock some of that debt down and get out of these people's pockets. Let these people get out of your pockets, I should say, and get in theirs. With that being said, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.